Good morning, children. Welcome to the online classes. This is Miss Jyoti, and today we will do revision of chapter 6. Follow traffic rules, page number 12 in GK. Okay. Now, children, here we come to chapter 6. Follow traffic rules, page number 12. Okay. So, first of all, what is traffic rules? Traffic rules are made to keep us safe and happy, and we should always follow traffic rules. Okay, children, there are many things we need to keep in mind while on the road. Okay, there are many things that we have to keep in mind while on the road. Okay, and children, there are 3 lights in a traffic light pole. This is traffic light pole, and there are 3 lights, 1, 2, 3, and they are used to control traffic. Means they are used to control the road traffic. These 3 lights, they are used to control the road traffic. Yes. Red light, yellow light, and green light. These are the lights in a traffic light pole. Red light. Red light means to stop. Children, when you see this red light in a traffic light pole, then it means to stop. Okay. Then yellow light. Children, yellow light means to wait. Okay, when you see yellow light in a traffic light pole, then you should wait. Okay, then come to green light. What does green light means? Children, green light means to go. What it means? To go. Yes, when you see green light in a traffic light pole, then it means to go. Okay, see children, this is a road, and this is called zebra crossing, and this is the traffic light pole. Okay, when that light is there, then you have to stop, and when yellow light is there, then you have to wait, and when green light is there, then you have to go. Okay, now come to exercises. Children, you have to color the boxes green if the statements are correct, and color them red if the statements are wrong. Means for the correct statement you have to color the box with green color, and for wrong statement you have to color the box with red color. Okay, now see number 1. While crossing the road, we should look both ways. This means this statement is correct. While crossing the road, we should look both ways. So this box we have to color with green color. So I am writing over here green color. Okay, you can color this box with green color. Number 2. We should not play on the road. Children, tell me that we should play on the road or we should not play on the road? Yes, we should not play on the road. Na? Yes, this means this statement is correct. Then again, we have to color the box with green color. So I am writing over here green color. G. 3. While crossing the road, we should run on the road. Children, this statement is wrong. Why? Because while crossing the road, we should not run on the road. Okay, so color this box with red color because this statement is wrong. 4th one, we should use zebra crossing for crossing the road. This statement is correct. Yes, children, we should always use zebra crossing for crossing the road, and this is zebra crossing. So this statement is correct. We have to color this box with green color. Fifth, while walking on the road, we should hold our parents' hands. Tell me, this statement is correct or wrong? Yes, this statement is correct. While walking on the road, we should hold our parents' hands. रोड पे चलते समय हमें अपने पेरेंट्स के हैंड्स को पकड़ के चलना चाहिए. So this statement is correct. So write over here green. You have to color the box with green color. Okay. Number 6. We should not follow traffic signals while crossing the road. Children, again this statement is wrong. So which color you have to fill? Yes, red color. For wrong statement, the box will be colored with red color. Again I repeat this. Sixth one, we should not follow traffic signals while crossing the road. This statement is wrong. Children, we should always follow traffic signals while crossing the road. Okay. Seventh one, we should wait for the vehicle to pass and then cross the road. This statement is correct. So color the box with green color. Children, we should always wait for the vehicle to pass and then cross the road. Okay. We should not run on the road. When you see any car or any bus or any vehicle moving on the road, then you should not run. You should wait for the vehicle to pass and then you should cross the road. Okay. Number 8. We should wear a helmet while cycling. Children, we should always wear a helmet while cycling. This statement is correct. So color the box with green color. Okay. And children, why should we wear helmet? Yes, we should wear helmet because helmet protects us. ना, अगर हमें चोट लगती है, अगर हमारा एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, तो हेलमेट की वजह से हमें गहरी चोट लगने से हम बच सकते हैं ना. हेलमेट हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है, हमारे हेड को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. और हेलमेट हम कहाँ पहनते हैं? यस, अपने हेड पे पहनते हैं. सो हमें हेलमेट पहनना चाहिए साइकिलिंग करते समय, बाइक चलाते समय. ठीक है. सो this statement is correct and fill the box with green color. Okay. So what we have learned today? We have learned that while crossing the road we should look both ways. रोड क्रॉस करते समय हमें लेफ्ट राइट दोनों साइड देख के तब रोड क्रॉस करना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट प्ले ऑन द रोड, हमें रोड पर नहीं खेलना चाहिए. थर्ड, while crossing the road we should run on the road. मतलब this statement is wrong ना. while crossing the road we should not run on the road. मतलब रोड क्रॉस करते समय हमें रोड पे दौड़ना नहीं चाहिए, हमें रोड पे आराम से रोड क्रॉस करना चाहिए. एंड वी शुड यूज़ जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग फॉर क्रॉसिंग द रोड. और जब भी हमें रोड क्रॉस करना हो तो हमें जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग को यूज़ करना चाहिए, हमें जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग को यूज़ करके रोड क्रॉस करना चाहिए. और एंड दिस इज जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग ना. फिफ्थ, वाइल वॉकिंग ऑन द रोड वी शुड होल्ड आवर पेरेंट्स हैंड्स. रोड पर चलते समय हमें अपने पेरेंट्स के, मम्मी पापा के हाथ को पकड़ के तब रोड पे चलना चाहिए. ठीक है. 6. वी शुड नॉट follow traffic signals while crossing the road. Children, this statement is wrong. We should always follow traffic signals while crossing the roads. Okay. मतलब हमें हमेशा ट्रैफिक सिग्नल्स को फॉलो करना चाहिए रोड क्रॉस करते समय. नंबर 7. वी शुड वेट फॉर द व्हीकल टू पास एंड देन क्रॉस द रोड. चिल्ड्रन, हमें जो भी व्हीकल अगर रोड पे जा रही है तो पास कर रही है तो हमें उसका वेट करना चाहिए तब रोड क्रॉस करना चाहिए. हमें ऐसे रोड पे नहीं भागना चाहिए. अगर मान लो ये कार अगर रोड पे चल रही है तो हमें वेट करना चाहिए जब ये कार रोड क्रॉस कर ले, देन वी शुड क्रॉस द रोड. ओके. देन वी शुड वियर अ हेलमेट वाइल साइकिलिंग. चिल्ड्रन, हमें हेलमेट पहनकर साइकिलिंग करनी चाहिए, ठीक है। क्यों? क्योंकि हेलमेट हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है। ओके, सो टुडे वी हैव डन रिविजन ऑफ चैप्टर 6 फॉलो ट्रैफिक रूल्स एंड चिल्ड्रन we have also learned that there are 3 lights in a traffic light pole. They are red light, yellow light and green light. Red means to stop, green means to go and yellow means to wait. Okay, so always remember to follow traffic rules. Okay children, so that's all for the class today. Have a nice day.